Imagine this, you are sitting at your desk, typing a few words, and then boom, those words turn into money, opportunity, and impact. Sounds magical, right? Well, that's exactly what copywriting is. And the best part of it, you don't need a fancy degree or study for 5-10 years to master it. You can do it today, for example. And by the end of this video, you will not only know what copywriting is all about, but also you will know how you can master it, even if you never wrote a single line of copy before. Are you ready for that? No, you are. That's why you're here, right? That's how this video got to your tremendous big YouTube Explore page. So let's dive in, shall we? So what exactly is copywriting? You are used to listen to the word copy, copywriting, email copy. You listen to that every day, but you still know exactly like what's the term, definition for the word copywriting. Copywriting is the art and the science of using words to get people to take action. That action can be anything: clicking a link, signing up for a newsletter, buying a product, what we like, or just changing their mindset about something. Because copywriting is not only about making sales page, but you have copywriting on political speeches, you have copywriting on politics, for example, believe it or not. But here's the key, copywriting is not only about selling the product, right? It's about solving the problems. Great copy focuses on needs, desires, and most important, emotion. Great copy eats the perfect and the right emotions of our audience, you know. It shows how the customer's life will improve so much if they buy the product or the service we are selling to them, without saying we are selling to them. Copywriting is everywhere. Ads, email, websites, even scripts for YouTube, for example. Like this video, I scripted this video and I chose the perfect words for you to stay, for you to like. Of course, there's a lot, like you have storytelling inside of scripts, for example. You have the tone of the voice, you have the persona you are using, but that's for future videos if you like it, okay? But it's even in YouTube scripts, Instagram descriptions, Reels, it's everywhere, I swear to you, it's everywhere. Let me just show you a quick example of how copywriting works. A really fast example, simple but fast, but I think it's enough for you to understand what is a good copy or where copywriting is exactly. Let's imagine we are selling a productivity app, right? We have tons of them. And here are two ways you could sell it. Let's say it like this. We have the first example. Our app has advanced features that help you manage your time efficiently. Or stop feeling overwhelmed. Get more done in less time with just 10 minutes a day using our app. Just tell me, for you, which option sounds better, first or the second? The second, right? You went for the second. You already have like a clue what copywriting is. But why? Why did the second, like, what's the difference exactly? Both have words, both says they are productivity. Like, what's the difference? What's the catch? First, it's audience focused. It speaks to the problem of the audience, feeling overwhelmed. Second, it's clear and simple. No jargon or technical problems, just a straightforward promise. 10 minutes in our app, you will start being more productive, or at least you should be. And third, it's emotion driven. It shows you already the relief and paints already the future if you use the app, you know. And this is exactly what great copy is about. It connects with the reader on an emotion level, makes them feel understood. Like when you go to a psychologist, you know, or a therapist, it makes you feel understood. That's why you like it. Like you may cry, you may feel weird, but in the end of the session, you're like, damn, that feel good, because you feel connected. And it still offers you a solution, how you can correct and fix your problems. It's like going to the doctor and say, doctor, I'm fat, like I can't run, I can't have sex properly. And he says to you, do a diet, start doing sports. You're like, damn, and you start doing it. And guess what? You lost weight and you can run, you know? It's simple. I don't know why people make such a mess, but it's easy. You can do it. Like, I swear, I wish people could understand like when I try to say it's easy. I don't want to be rude or like mention like it's easy to make 10K a month when so many people are poor and living in such wrong situations. I'm not saying that I don't want to be that type of asshole, but if everyone, if they sit down in their desk and be like, okay, I will put 3 hours in work of copywriting, you know, like people will be like, Jesus, this is easy. Okay, you need to get clients. We will get there. But learning copywriting, writing good copy, it's not that hard. That's what I'm trying to say. But let's go deeper. Why is copyright so powerful? Copyright is like a superpower. It can help businesses grow by driven sales, create a career for you where you get paid to write, and makes you a better communicator in every part of your life. Talking to your partner, talking to your friends, talking to your boss, talking to your customers, talking to everyone. It will make you talk better. It will make you feel more understood, and you will know how to express your feelings, or you will know how to express what you actually want from the people. And the most beautiful part is the demand for copywriting is huge. It's like huge. Business of all sizes need people who can write words that sell. That's why learning this skill can be a game changer for you. If you are the person, you try dropshipping, you tried sites, you try social media marketing agency, you tried OnlyFans manager, you try everything. Just like it's too weird, or you have problems with stock, or you will have problems with delivery, or you cannot outreach clients. When copywriting is there for you, buddy, just learn. If you are a businessman, if you are a guy just want to make money, if you are an e-com owner, this is for everyone. Everyone needs to learn copywriting. That's why I'm here. I'll help you. Alright, so how can you start copywriting actually today? Let's go. Here are 3 easy steps you can already start. In the end of this video, you can just finish the video right now and start. Don't do it. I still have important stuff to say, but you can start literally now. First, observe copy around you. First, you can go all back to the 0 second of this video and analyze everything I said. Everything I said is not improv. You know, I didn't improvise here to the camera. It's all written by me, by the way. Look to heads, emails you receive from your clothing stores, maybe your doctor, maybe some private clinics that have copywriters too. I already wrote for private clinics. Your gym, for example. If your gym works properly and they have a newsletter or whatever, they have copy there. Clothing brands, like it's everywhere. I swear, people don't understand actually how much copy there is. And when you're reading those emails or looking at that copies, that billboards, whatever, ask yourself, what's the catch? What's the message here on this copy? How and why and for what are they trying to convince me? Are they convincing me to buy something, to join something, to read something, to see something? Make questions. When you see copy, billboards, whatever, magazines, newspaper, everywhere, just ask yourself, make those 3 questions here and you will have the answer. Second, let's go deeper a little bit. You will practice headlines. I'm scripting a video, I'm writing a video now to release in the future, and the video is actually why are headlines the most important part of your copy. So if you want that video, subscribe the button. I will release in like few weeks or maybe next week, I don't know. But subscribe, you need that video. It's gold material for now, all right? But all right, let's go to practice writing headlines, right? You will choose a product, any product, a water bottle, a phone, or even a pen, and you will write 10 different headlines for it. Don't even worry about being perfect. Bro, you are just starting, right? So just write 10 headlines you think it's suitable for the product you choose, and just practice. And third, learn from experts. Subscribe to this channel. Ruben writes. Each week, I'll share proven strategies and real-world examples to help you improve fast. Remember, copywriting is a skill you remember by doing. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll get better every day. I'll be honest, copywriting changed completely my life. And it can change yours too. Whether you want to start a new career, grow your business, or just want to learn how to write words that inspire actions, this is the skill for you, my friend. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Here on Ruben Writes, you will find everything you need to go from beginner to expert in no time. Every master once was a beginner. Let's start your journey today, together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Ooh.